Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to edit your room. To edit your room, firstly go to the room and press Q button. Now you can change room theme, battle table, chair, posters and music. Of course, the battle table, poster 1, poster 2 and music can be found in game, but to change theme you need to spend crystals. Each room theme costs 500 crystals, which is about $9. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.